Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing, I guess a fall look, using some new palettes. This is the Glamoween palette. Um, I really like this palette. This is my first time using it. It has a lot of different colors. And this is a collab with Sydney Nicole and Spoiled Lip Cosmetics. So yeah, it's got mostly mattes and two shimmers, which I think they're the same. But it's like a sparkly green. I should have used it, but I forgot. So I kind of messed up there, but I'll fix it later. Now I'm just adding pumpkin on top and slowly blending that out. And then I'm using the other side of the brush and taking the yellow, I think it's called candy corn. Then I just take another brush to clean the fallout. And then I use micellar water. Just remove to make kind of a smooth line where I can put the shimmer. Then I put some concealer down, and I don't take it too high because I have hooded eyes and it'll ruin the mattes that I just put down. This is a new palette too. It's from Milani Cosmetics. It's their fairy tale palette from Halloween. So yeah, overall I really like both of these palettes, and yeah, I hope you guys like how I did this fall cut crease.